Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to remove the GoPro lens from your GoPro. So if you need to put the case on, the waterproof case or something, and you have to remove it, or if it's broken, so yeah, just lift up and then twist to the left, and then that's how easy it is. And don't make sure that you don't touch the lens itself so it doesn't smudge, and put it back by angling it the same way like this and then twisting to the right until you hear that click. Just lift, twist to the left, and that's it. It's gonna be hard at first and tricky, but when you get used to it, then it's pretty easy. Put it back, twist to the right. There it is. So yeah, if you enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, peace out.